I was fortunate to have worked here for over 20 years. Basically, I witnessed its whole development. At the beginning was the earthwork, the civil work. My father was probably in 1963, or the oil field in 1965 recruit. At that time, the oil field was called 923 Factory. From then on, it was a lot harder than it is now. They went their separate ways. We were the most miserable generation. The oil field declines, leaving us behind. We do the tail end work, as if I was descent to the hell.